436A. It is a because it was added in 2006. For section 436A, it is very interesting, and you may have heard so many times. The person and many accused remain in jail as under trial, exceeding the total years of punishment. For example, if they are accused of or they have been charged for a punishment where the for an offense where the punishment is of, for example, suppose 2 years, but they remain in the jail for 4 years. And you must have gone through the cases like Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar, under Constitution. The section 436A is actually the solution of this great problem. What does it say? The crux of section 436A is a person cannot be in jail as an under trial more than the half of the imprisonment. For example, if he is charged for an offense where the punishment is 10 years, he cannot remain in the jail during investigation, inquiry, or trial in any case more than 5 years. But it is for the offenses, all the offenses except where the punishment is a death penalty. It is not applicable in the cases where the punishment is as a death penalty. Other than death penalty cases, including life imprisonment, he cannot remain in the jail half of the total of his total punishment given for that specific offense. And if in any case, if court thinks that there may be certain situation where the court thinks it proper that this accused should remain in jail even more than 5 years, where the punishment is 10 years, more than 5 years, in that case the court has to give the reasons in writing. Special circumstances, court has to give those special circumstances. Court has to reason out. That is the exception. But the general rule is that he cannot remain in the jail more than half of the punishment given for that offense. Now, it will become more clear to you. I am going through section 436A. Maximum period for which an under trial prisoner can be detained. Because there were the cases where the punishment is supposed for 10 years and the an accused as under trial, because the trial could not be completed, used to remain in the jail for 15 years. Very pathetic situation. Okay. Yes, where a person has during the period of investigation, inquiry, or trial under this code of an offense under any law not being an offense for which the punishment of death has been specified as one of the punishments under that law, undergone detention for a period extending up to one half of the maximum period of imprisonment specified for that offense under that law. He shall be released, he shall be. And we have to mind it, all these words, shall and may, in all the provisions of bail. He shall be released by the court on his personal bond with or without sureties. It is imitated, doesn't make any difference with the surety or without surety, but he shall be released on bail. Provided that the court may, after hearing the public prosecutor and for reasons to be recorded, by it in writing, order the continued detention of such person for a period longer than one half of the said period, or release him on bail instead of the personal bond with or without sureties. After giving an opportunity to the public prosecutor and those reasons must be written in the order. In that case, if in special circumstances the court thinks that it can be extended beyond half of the punishment, one half of the punishment, total punishment, the court has the power, but this is an exception. Further, provided that no such person shall in any case be detained during the period of investigation, inquiry, or trial for more than the maximum period of imprisonment provided for the said offense under that law. It is very extensive. Last, in no case, if the court thinks it proper, even then, one cannot be in jail more than the maximum punishment of that offense. For example, there is a punishment for an offense 10 years. In no case, if court thinks it proper, even the court is giving the reasons in writing in its order. In no case he cannot remain in jail as under trial more than the total punishment of that offense, 10 years. Okay? And see, it was a pathetic condition. Many accused used to remain in the jail. For example, they were charged for a punishment where the total punishment is, maximum punishment is 10 years. And they remained in the jail for 15 years. 10 years is the total punishment of that particular offense. But they remained in the jail for 15 years. As a famous case, Hossain Ara Khatun case, it was the case of about the under trial. In Hossain Ara Khatun, the accused was not the convicted, he was just an under trial. Can you imagine there are such cases, there were such cases to remove that problem, to remove that difficulty. This section 436 was inserted in 2006, and to some extent this problem is resolved. It is about section 436A. Next is section 437. I think time is